It's your boy, Jay, back again with another video. Today we're going to learn how to dekey a keyboard and wash it and clean it properly. As you can see here, I am simply sliding the tool under and popping them out. Usually you'd use gloves, but I am a trained professional. Next up is the dekeyed keyboard. What you want to do with it is take some rubbing alcohol and some cotton swabs and rub all the grime out of it. This can, make sure to do it thoroughly. You want to take all the keys, put in the nearest sink, and wash them individually after soaping them together. What I like to do is take the soap and just putting it all in there and cleaning each one. You gotta make sure it's dry. After this, you'll just simply pop in the keys where they belong. If you don't know where the keys go, you should pull up a model on Google. Next up is the back of the keyboard. What you want to do is unscrew all the screws as I'm doing here on the back. You'll immediately see this gel-like substance under the keyboard. You want to take this out, and if it's dirty, wipe it down with a wet wipe. When you're putting it back on, make sure the gel lines up with the holes to make sure your keyboard works right. Wipe the back of the keyboard with a wet wipe. Not the electronic part, though. And after putting back the gel and screwing on the back, you've got a keyboard.